Hello, my name is Stacy and I love all things beauty and fashion. Today I'm going to share with you 3 different tools that I have used to get rid of that peach fuzz on my face and just show the differences between the 3 tools. These are in no certain order because I like them all. I also want to address a myth that I see a lot posted in comments about shaving your face, that if you as a woman shave your face that the hair will come back thicker and darker. That is not the case. I have watched videos from dermatologists and doctors, and it may happen for some women, but generally speaking that is not the case. I'm going to start with, this is Jill razors. And this one you do not want to use on a dry face. It is a straight blade. They do sell a larger portion or larger blade like this and a smaller one to get in the areas like your brow and your upper lip and that kind of thing. You always want to start with a clean face for any product that you're using. Make sure your hands are washed. You want to use a new blade every time. With this one, I do have a 10% discount code for you. That is Stacy10. And you want to start with using some type of oil. Now they do sell these magic wipes, and just to give you an idea of price wise, the Jill kit, the starter kit usually is $34.99. However, at the time of filming it is on sale for $19.99. And what you get in that is the Jill wand, the petite blade, one wide blade, a gunk pad, and travel case. Gunk pad is this, and you'll see why you need this. If you want the kit that includes the magic wipes, that is a one-time price of $39.99. Or if you want to do a monthly plan, then that lowers the kit down to $29.99. And again, that is the kit with the magic wipes. So first off, you want to put an oil down, or if you have the magic wipes, there's a little bit of a scent, but not much. And you can feel that this product has something on it, but it's not like an oil where it's going to be dripping down or where it feels like heavy, like some types of sheet mask. You want to put it on where you're going to shave, and you can use both sides. You're going to take your blade and you're going to kind of pull the skin a little taut and at a 45-degree angle, and you always want to go down. Of course, it's up to each individual, but they recommend shaving every other week. Little strokes. Make sure when you get close to your brows that you really, you should be paying attention no matter what, but especially near your brows. And are you seeing that? Okay. So when you get to that, when you have some gunk, you just wipe it off on the gunk pad. Now after you've done your face, you can use a hydrating toner, but you don't want to use anything that has actives, like no retinol or anything like that, vitamin C. For the blades, they do have a membership program on that as well, where you can receive 2 sets of blades every month, and that's $8.99. So that's the kind of the price range of this product, just to give you an idea. Look at that. Can you see that? And the benefits of shaving your face is, I feel like when you look at my face, it doesn't look like I'm that hairy, but as you can see, I do have hair coming off, and this also is exfoliating the dead skin. Another option is from Michael Todd Beauty. This is the Sonicsmooth. Now this one, you do it on a dry face and you have to charge it. It's got 3 different speeds. I do have a discount code for 20% off on any products on Michael Todd. And this is what the refill of the blades come in. A little case like this that makes it easy to remove or to put a new one on. The price tag on this one is $121, and for that you get the tool, 8 replacement blades, the charging cable, and just to give you an idea, if you purchase the tool and then you just need the replacement blades, this pack of 8 is $25. This comes in white, pink, or purple, and again, you want to wash your face, pat it dry. You're not going to put any products on it. And it's kind of the same idea. You're going to hold your skin taut and do it. But this time you just kind of go down. It's doing pretty much all the work. Now, if you want to see even more on either of these products, Jill or the Michael Todd, I will have where I did dedicated videos to them listed down below. Let me zoom you in a little bit. And on this side of the face, we're going to do this one. You just go with whatever speed you want. I'm going to go with the middle speed. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it in camera, but there is some stuff dropping. And I think you can see just from that little section. Some of the hair and dead skin that came off. Both sides are feeling ultra smooth. It feels so good after you do this. If you've never shaved your face, like the first time you've done it, you'll be like, ooh, it feels so nice. So after you use this one, you can use a toner or a moisturizer. But again, I would use just one with no actives just to make sure you don't have any irritation. If you like these type of comparison videos, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Now let's go on to the third product. From Spa Sciences, this is the Aiva. This is electric as well. It's dual-sided, so you have a bigger one and then a smaller. This is $29.99. There is a USB. That's how you charge this. The color options are black and white, light on each side, and you just flip this whichever side you want. They do sell a 2-pack of the replacement heads, a one-time price of $10. Now if you want to do a membership, it's $9 per 2 packs, and you can set it up if you want it every 30 days or 60 days. This one, I really like to use this side to go into between my brows and then to kind of shape out my brows. And the bigger side I like to do above my lip and my chin, and just if there's anything on my nose. You can, though, use this all over your face. I'll show you on a little bit of my jawline. So again, let me show you. So you can kind of hear it. It does not hurt at all. And I'm just gonna go kind of in circular motions. And this is so much easier and less painful than plucking. I'm gonna go to the bigger side, just in circular motion. And when you're done with this one, you just turn it a little bit and it comes off. And let's see if you can see, there's a little bit of hair in there. The same for the smaller one. Yeah, there's not much hair in that one. So then you just want to brush that out, make sure that's clean. Those are the 3 products that I use to shave my face and my neck a little bit. Again, I like them all. As you can see, they all have different features, so it really just depends what you're looking for. I would love to know if one of these kind of spoke to you and you thought, ooh, is more what I would use. Let me know down in the comments if you have a preference. Jill, Michael Todd, or Spa Sciences. And this one you do want to use on the There is a USB that you charge. Oh, my nail came out.